Hi everyone. As I told in last video, so we are going to cover about the pipes which is used for firefighting. Last session I have told we have about three pipes: GI, MS, and CS pipe. So now I'll tell how we are going to use for CPVC pipe the firefighting systems. Okay. So I'll just share the screen. So basically, what we are going to cover is CPVC pipes used in the firefighting, and it is as per NFPA 13. So I'll show the norms where it is mentioned we can use CPVC pipes. Okay. Next is pipe catalog. I'll show one of the catalog of the pipes. So how it is different from other metal pipes. Next is the difference between the metal pipe and plastic pipe. However, it is the advantage of plastic pipes. Okay. So as I told, CPVC pipe, okay, SGR 13.5 is used for firefighting purpose, and you can see the pink color pipe, orange color pipe, which is shown in the image, that is used for CPVC for firefighting systems. Okay, so here it is mentioned, it is highlighted also. See, this is an extract taken from the NFPA 13, and it is clearly show you can use above ground pipes. Chlorine pipe you can use for firefighting purpose. Okay, these are the sample projects which we have done, we have completed, and that project, from that I have taken an extract of that and I have tested here. So here you can see these are the pipes. This is the supports. Okay, as I was telling last video, wherever there is a change in direction, you have the supports both ends. So it's just as per that norms. Right, and this is a sprinkler, sidewall sprinklers. Okay. So now the comparison of metal pipe and plastic pipe. With respect to pressure resistance, both have same pressure resistance, okay, which is around 12.3 or around 12 bar pressure. They can withstand, both can withstand 12 bar pressure. Heat resistance. Metal pipe can withstand more heat compared to plastic pipe. Metal pipe can withstand up to 1530 degrees Celsius, whereas CPVC pipe can withstand up to 103 degrees Celsius. This is the only disadvantage of CPVC pipe with respect to metal pipe. Rest all is the advantages. Corrosion. In metal pipe will have more corrosion, whereas in CPVC will have no corrosion. Okay. And you have roughness coefficient. The water will flow smoothly in CPVC pipe. For that, the roughness coefficient is 150, whereas in metal pipe it is 120. Right? If you see the this metal pipe, okay, it requires a lot of machineries, welding machine, cutting machine, okay, electricity to operate these machineries. But whereas in CPVC you don't require a lot of machineries, you require only hacksaw blade where you can cut it manually without any. So the initial cost of the project comes down basically. And for metal pipe, you require a trained fitter or welder to operate that procedure of fittings pipes, whereas in CPVC pipe you don't require any trained purpose. Semi-skilled labor also can operate that. Okay, and durability, lifespan of the project, lifespan of the particular pipe. For metal pipe it is 20 years max, whereas CPVC pipe it is 50 years. Okay. So a lot of things is there in CPVC pipes. So those are the basic difference about the comparison of the metal pipe and CPVC pipe. So if you want to learn complete in detail about the firefighting, okay, you have to call to our phone line number, which is 9900529008, and ask when is the next batch you can enroll effectively. Okay, that's all. Thank you.